Bliss hijacks your struggle, breakthrough incoming. Bliss isn't a destination, it's a discovery hidden in plain sight. Think of Elijah waiting for God in the storm, only to find him in a gentle whisper. Your breakthrough isn't about grand gestures, but quiet moments of profound connection. Every season has a secret soundtrack of joy. When Ruth gleaned in desperate fields, she didn't know she was steps away from her greatest blessing. When Joseph sat in prison, he couldn't see the palace waiting. Your current struggle is just a paragraph in a larger story of unexpected triumph. Disappointment is not your final chapter. Frustration is not your permanent address. You're being prepared, not punished. God is orchestrating moments of struggle into a tapestry of unexpected bliss that will leave you breathless. Ready for more hope-filled stories? Subscribe and transform your perspective.